So when you run this program, you will see the output. So enter the value of n. So the factorial of the number is 120. In this way we can use the scanner utility to take the values from the user. So we have seen today how to declare the variables, how to read the value of the variables from the user. For reading the value of variables from the user, there is a utility which is called as scanner. First we have to import the packages. Import java.util.star. So we are creating this class for finding the factorial. We are declaring the variables integer n comma f is equals to 1. We have to create the scanner object. Scanner s is equals to new scanner. We have to pass the system.in inside the scanner functions. Now to take the value from the user, we have given the statement enter the value of n. So this will read the value whatever the user has entered, it will put into the n variable. So we are going to the while loop. While n is greater than or equal to 1, f is equals to f star n. So it will go on storing it into the f variable, simultaneously decreasing the value of n by 1. N minus minus, that is the unary operator which we are using. So if the user has 5, so it will store 1 into 5, then n will become 4. 4 is greater than 1, the condition is true. So again it will store, the previous value of f was 5, now it will store 5 into 4. So in this way n will go on decrementing, simultaneously it will store into the f variable 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So in this way it will calculate the value and store it into the f variable. So using system.println we are finding the factorial of the number. So these are called the input stream object scanner. This is one of the utility which is available. There are other input stream also, like data input stream is there. So if it is a double variable, we can see it here. We have to write next double if it is a double variable. Okay, double means decimal values. And if it is a string variable, we have to write next line. So whatever the string is there, it will store it into the string variable. Like scanner, there is also data input stream that we can use in Java. So it is also used for reading the values from the user. So different methods which are available with the data input stream. Read int, read byte, read characters. So this is the example. So like scanner, we have to create the data input stream object. Data input stream object name we can give d1 equals to new data input stream. Inside we have to write new input stream. Input stream object we have created equals to new file input stream. So whenever we are using the data input stream, first we have to create the object of the input stream object. So now we will see what actually it is the input stream. So Java provides the input stream classes for reading the input values from the user. So the input stream is derived from the java.io packages that we are using in our Java program. Import java.io.star. So java.io.star provides the input stream class also. Now input stream class is an abstract class. We know the definition of the abstract class. We cannot create the object of the abstract class in FI C programming, same concept, it is available in Java also. Now different types of input streams which Java supports are subclasses of the input stream are file input stream, byte array input stream, object input stream. So these are the three different subclasses which are created from the input stream file. So if you want to create file input stream, if you want to read a file, we have to create the object of the input stream with respect to the file input stream. Similarly, if you want to read byte array input stream, we have to create the input stream object with respect to the byte array input stream. So in this way, suppose if you want to create an object of file input stream, so this is the syntax: input stream I1 equals to new file input stream. So object of the input stream will be object 1. Methods which are available with the input stream are read. Suppose there is a file which we want to read, so we have to apply the read method. So it will read 1 byte of data from the input streams. Similarly, we can read the byte array using the byte array object. Read byte array reads byte from the input stream and stores into the specified array. Similarly, we can check the number of bytes which are available by using the available method. We can use the mark method to see whether up till what we have read. So these are the different methods which we can use with the input stream. So this is the example that we can see here. Suppose if we have created one file which is called as, this is a line of text, and the file is named as input.txt file. Now suppose if you want to read this file, we have to import the packages. Directly we can write import java.io.star, or we can import these packages, import java.io.inputstream, java.io.fileinputstream. After this, we will create one byte array to store the data into the array object. So byte array we are creating, the size is 100. So now this is the syntax which we will use: input stream object equals to new file input stream, and this is the path of the file that we will pass to the input stream object. So we can check the size of the file by using input.available. Input.available gives the size, the number of bytes, the size of the file in bytes. If you want to read the arrays, we can use the read method, input.read, that is the object of the input stream we are using to read the file. Input.read, it will read the file. So once we have read the file, we are storing it into the byte array. If you want to convert the byte array into the strings, we can use the string. We have created one string object to convert the byte array into the string. We are passing the array object. So whatever the data is there, we can print using the print object. So we will see this example how it has to be executed. So first we will copy this line. We will go to the notepad. Save this file as input.txt file into the D column. So this is the input.txt file which is saved in the D colon Java examples folder. Instead of the file input stream, we can directly write import java.io.star to take the input stream object directly we can create. So this is the program that we have created. We have created one byte array which we have named it as array. So this will take the bytes. We have created one object of the input stream which is called as input. Now here we have to provide the file name, that is D colon So input.txt file, we have saved it into the D colon Java example. We have to see whether it supports the backslash or the other slash. So we are referring to this file by the object input. So if you want to check the size of the file, we can use the method input.available. To read the file, we have to use input.read. So we will store it into the byte array, which is called as array. Once the file is stored into the byte array, means it will be converted into bytes. To convert into the form of strings, we can create the string object, string data is equals to new string array, and pass the byte array to it. And using the system.println, we can print the file, that is data. So this is used for catching the exceptions. We will save the file name with sread.java file. So now we will run this example and see if it is executing properly or not. So here there is error. So now you can see this is a line of text inside the file. So whatever the file we have created, we have read the file using the InputStream object. Okay. So inside D colon, inside the Java examples, we have created one input.txt file. So this was the text file that we have created. So this is a line of text inside the file that we have read using the Java program, that is the data input stream, that is the input stream object we have created to read the file. So for reading the file, the object, the subclass that is available is file input stream, which belongs to the input stream classes, that is the parent class. It is an abstract class. We cannot create the object of the abstract class. We can create the object of the subclasses, that is called as the file input stream, which belongs to the input stream classes. So this is the example that we have seen how to read the file. So remember these three things: input stream, which extends the file input stream, byte array input stream, and the object input stream. So we have seen this file input stream to read the files which are available. So again we will revise this concept, that input stream is a subclass of the java.io package. It is an abstract superclasses. Remember, it is an abstract classes, and it is used for representing the stream of bytes. So we cannot create the object of the input stream objects, but we create the object of the file input, byte array, and the object input streams. So using the available methods, we can check the number of bytes which are available in the input streams. Using mark, we can mark the position to which the data has been read. Using the read, we can read the 1 byte of data from the input streams. So we have used this read method. First we have created one byte array, because using the input stream object we can read 1 byte of array from the data. So we have created the byte array to fetch the data and store it into this array, byte array, which is called as array. We have created the object of the input stream, which is called as input. object of the file input stream. We have given the path of the file which is residing in the d:" Java examples. Then we are using the system.out.println to check the available size of the file. We are using the read method to read the file and store it into the array. So input.read will read the file. Simultaneously it will store it into the array object, byte array. To convert into the string variable, we can use the string object, that is data new string. We will pass the object array into the data. We can also print the file by using the input string data file. After this, we will close the input stream object, which is called as input.close. So today we have seen how to use the file input stream to read the files which are saved. So you have to create one input.txt file, save it into the one particular folder, give the path of the file where it is located into the input stream objects. Then we can use the input.read methods to read the file. So here the data will be read from the file and it will be stored into the array, byte array, which is called as array. So to print the byte array, we are converting the byte array into the string by creating the string objects and printing the string system.out.println. We are printing the file, that is the data which locates to the input.txt file. So this is the example of the file input stream that is available in Java.